Welcome to this video in which we will design, assemble and will perform motion study analysis on bevel gears. So let's begin. Select assembly and click OK. Okay, so cross this window. First of all, we will go to design library. If you do not have design library, go to settings and add-ins and select this option. Click OK and you will be having the design library. Okay, so go to ISO. Here select power transmission, then go to gears. Here we will be having two options for the bevel gear, so select this one, straight bevel gears. For configuring the bevel gear, we have these parameters: module, number of teeth and etc. You can pause the video and copy these parameters. Press escape button and now go to design library again and drag this bevel gear pinion this time. You can pause the video or you can slow down the speed of the video to see these parameters. Click OK. Press escape button. Now select the gear and press this float. Now it can move. Reorient the position of the gear and the pinion by rotating and moving. Select mate. Select this origin. Select this inner circle of the bevel gear and click OK. Click OK. Now this time select this surface of the bevel gear and select top plane. Click OK. Now select mate, expand this bar, right click, show. Similarly for the gear as well, we will do the same procedure again. Click on show. Now select mate, zoom in and select this point for the pinion and select this point for the gear that we have shown earlier. Click OK. Now select the center line of the bevel gear and center line of the pinion and make relation as perpendicular. Click OK. Now it can rotate on the bevel gear. But still we have to add another relation. Click on mate. Click the center line of the pinion. Expand this bar and click on front plane. OK. Now select these sketches and hide them. Now click on move component, select this standard drag and rotate this. This is perfect. Zoom in and rotate it such that the teeth are not colliding with each other. Now give appearance plain white. Now we will perform motion study analysis. In case you don't see this option, then click on here add-ins and check this option, SOLIDWORKS motion. Go to settings, select frame per second as 35, click OK. Now select this contact option, select gear and pinion and click OK. Now drag this time to 10 seconds. After that select motor and assign the direction to the bigger gear. Scroll down and make this speed as 3 rpm. Okay, now click on calculate, and here we have the rotating pair of bevel gears. If you want to save the animation, then expand this bar, click on MP4 file, select frame per second as 30, select this aspect ratio to 16:9, and click on save. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.